Okay. Okay, fine. Hey guys, uh, I'm actually very much thrilled right now. Before I start the live session, I just want to tell thank you all. We just hit 100k followers today, and if you have any disturbance, I think you can guys can hear any uh, sound from back. Actually, my neighbors are having a function. They're Christians. They're having this rose function. So I think you can hear the noises. So kindly pardon me on that part because I went to all the rooms. I thought like the sounds won't come, but still it's coming. So don't mind me on that. Okay, so new people, new names, new faces right now. 100k. Okay, that's quite a huge number. Quite a huge number, and I think I'm nervous. So let me just start a formal introduction. Myself, Dr. Niranjan from Karnataka. Just know this. It's really hard for me to look also. Yeah, I'm from Karnataka, Mangalore city, and just completed my MBBS, and I'm preparing for my MS. And it's really nice to meet you all, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Hi Jaitika, hi Sushri, hi Shweta. Okay, there are a few people who wants to go live right now. There's a lot of people who wants to go live right now. Okay. Sure, I'll be at the end of the session. I'll be going live with one person, but as of now, I really don't know. I'm like really struck right now because I'm very happy that it's 100k, and okay, there is one from my city. Ir Kudladare and the Kudladar Sushmita. Hi Shomita. Hi Manalikan, Malanikin. Hi Pinalukin. Oh god, it's too hot. Right? Hi Gagana, Itramani. Hi Paul. Hi Natsuki. How many people are live right now? Okay, almost 1,000 people live. Not bad. It's quite a people right there. You're doing a great job in your reels. You are giving us knowledge with a but fun and okay, we're loving it. Lots of love to most amazing doctor. That's so sweet of you, cheeky girl. Keep supporting and sharing. Tattoo में क्या लिखा है sir? Okay, this is patience and this is peace, which I think patience I have a bit patience, but peace is like too much hectic यार. पीस तो है नहीं. I just need a peaceful sleep. पीस का बता नहीं, peaceful sleep तो चाहिए मेरे को. To accept the request. Okay. Hi Lucknow. Hi. Love from Bangalore. Okay. Afifa. That's so sweet, yaar. Hi Kim Cho. Majama, yaar. You look all handsome, sir. It's so sweet. Thank you, Singh Divyanka. Love from Kerala. Hello, sir. How are you? Do you know Telugu? Telugu, I understand a bit. Uh, Guys, I'm really sorry. I think you guys can hear some background voices. Can you hear that? My neighbors are having some function right now. I think his daughter's rose function. They're Catholics, so just forgive me for this live session because I tried going to all the rooms and I thought like maybe the voices won't be heard, but still this is one of the best room I feel is heard a bit less. Forgive me on that part. सर बैम्स के बारे में कुछ बताइए. अरे बैम्स के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊं यार. I mean like it's a good thing. MBBS, yeah, I'm MBBS. Love from Madhaipur. Oh, that's so sweet, yeah. So nice of you. Okay, let me just go live with one person right now. I don't know whom to go with. Oh God. Bursting crackers. मोदी जी देख लो. पटाखे फोड़ रहे हैं हम लोग. Quick, मोदी जी का कंप्लेंट लिखो यार. Okay, whom to go live with? There are so many people, man. I'm absolutely confused. I think I'll just go around. Whom to go live? Okay. I just send a request for a random person. I don't know who is it. Coming live, just can. Oh, what is the native place? My native place. Okay, we're going live. Don't mind me on the background music.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name? I think some network issue. Network issue. It's gone. This is going to one of the this is going to be one of the very comedy live ever because background में music चल रहा है यार. Guys, can you hear me now? Guys, just give a thumbs up if you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? One thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up if at all you guys can hear me. Because I'm really not sure because every time I come live there is some problem in the there is some technical problem in my phone. So just tell me if you guys can hear me. If you guys can hear me, like, can you hear the beats? Okay, now they're done with that bands and all that. Hi Maitri, hi Prerna, hi I'm Ego official. Yeah, one more thing. I share a lot of remedies on my channel regarding blood pressure, regarding hypotension, lungs के बारे में, cancer के बारे में, and all that. So few people just tell me, they question me like, how is it possible, sir? How can this be happening? How can this be happening? So I just tell them one thing. What I have done research on, those are my knowledge base, and I think whatever remedies I give people, it's being going to another person because he might be resistant for Rolo. So you never know. So you should always make some research, guys, before taking any advice. No time, I think around 11. Overcome stress, that would be helpful. Thanks in advance. Definitely, I'll definitely give the tips for stress. But I can tell you one thing. Stress happens when you have like you know, like if you can get around a sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours. Try meditating a bit. There's more than enough, I feel. Maybe in a month span or 2 month span, you'll be coming back to normal. Hello, doctor. Can you speak Tamil fluently? I really need an interview from you for my YouTube channel. Lots of love from London. Shairaj official. I don't know Tamil. I'm really sorry, but I really don't know Tamil. I sing the songs. I sing Tamil song. I sing Telugu, Malayalam, Konkani, Bari. There are many languages I sing, but I don't speak Tamil. I speak Kannada. I speak Hindi, English, Tulu, and all that. But I understand Tamil a bit. I understand Tamil and I understand Telugu also. So pardon me there. I can't concentrate for long. Okay. So concentration can be increased just by one thing, that is meditation. Just make a mark on the wall and just try focusing on the mark for at least 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Trust me, a week or 2 weeks span, your concentration will definitely increase. I have done that. It was helpful for me, so it might be helpful for you as well. If it's not helpful, don't curse me. Don't curse me. Okay. Telugu song, bro, once. I would love to sing a song, but I think there's a lot of disturbance in the background, so I don't think you guys can hear me. There's some song going on, some lady singing there. Where are you from? Hello Niranjan, does eye exercise really improve eyesight? Eye exercises won't improve your eyesight as such. It increases a bit, but then it will just strengthen your muscles around. There are many ocular muscles like inferior rectors, superior rectors. There are many muscle names. So they will just strengthen these muscles and blood supply will be better to your eye. So it won't be going to a worse condition. It will be either remaining in the same condition or maybe getting better. So ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम आई एक्सरसाइज करो और तुम्हारा चश्मा चला जाएगा यार. And this, I don't have glasses, guy. This is just because I don't see the phone directly through my eyes. I just apply this radiation glasses. Feeling like to do party here, as I'm super happy for more than 100k. You're super awesome. Thank you so much, Upasna. I would definitely want to join that party. I like your way of doing your videos. Thank you so much, yaar. the ultimate idea is just to deliver the content, deliver the message, and I think I'm doing pretty good in that. So if you guys have any queries regarding any of my tips, you can always DM me, because I reply to most of the DMs. Trust me, I think you can ask people here. I really do. And if I'm missing you out on somewhere, trust me, it may take some time, but I'll definitely get to your questions. Pritipal from Delhi. Hi Pritipal, how are you? For height increase, please doctor, see height increase is purely genetic. तो आपके अंदर वो अच्छा जीन्स है तो आप हाइट बढ़ जाओगे यार. Exercise, do some pull-ups, push-ups, gym मत join करो, लेकिन do some ground exercises. Eat healthy, eat green leaf vegetables, eat protein contents, and that's pretty much it यार. आपका जीन्स अच्छा है तो आप हो जाओगे आप लंबा. ऐसा कोई मैजिकल पोशन है नहीं कि आपका लंबाई बढ़ जाए. Handsome doctor, please say Himani. Hi Himani Singh, what's up? यार ये बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक चल रहा है यार. Lots of love from Amarvati, Maharashtra. Amarvati, okay fine. I would want to visit Amarvati someday. MBBS के में से कहाँ से किया है आपने? MBBS मैंने मैंगलोर से किया हूँ. My hospital name is Father Mullah Medical College, so I did it from there. MBBS. अभी MS का तैयारी चल रहा है. Exams भी आ रहा है on April. And don't make fun of my Hindi guys, because I just recently started learning Hindi. तो मैं साउथ से हूँ ना, तो there is that texture of Southish and that Hindish. सर दर्द से छुटकारा कैसे मिलेगा सर? See, there are many reasons for headache. Headache के लिए बहुत reasons होता है यार. Eye reasons, ear reasons. तो आपको पहले ना you have to get yourself checked. Migraine is one of the reasons, and sinus also sometimes causes headache. Excess drug consumption can cause headache. नींद नहीं आया तो headache हो जाता है. So you should know exactly what is causing the headache first, rather than just headache हो गया और डोलो ले लिया. ऐसा नहीं यार. And one more thing, dolo is a very common medicine that people usually take for headache and fever and even pain and all that. But I would definitely not recommend dolo much, because it will subside the pain for now, but you people will get used to it, and you might get every time you get a headache you will just keep on having dolo, because there are a lot of side effects of dolo, and it can affect your kidney as well. If people are on dialysis and all that, it affects your kidneys too. So just avoid dolos. Just try to resist man. Like headache, सो जाओ. headache हो जाए सो जाओ यार. मैं तो ये करता हूँ, सोता रहता हूँ हमेशा. You're delivering messages in such good and creative way. Congratulations on 100k followers. Thank you so much. Congratulations to all our DNSians, man. And by the way, people whoever are new here, I call my family as DNSians, Dr. Niranjan Samanians. So I hope you guys like it. Don't scold me yaar if अच्छा नहीं लगा तो. That's what I call you people. ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell me. Oh god, I uploaded a new video on my YouTube channel today. I think around 4 o'clock or something. So if you haven't watched it yet, it was a collaboration with one of my close friend Navya. So the video was regarding guessing the actor and actress name through the songs. So if you haven't watched it yet, I have given the link in the status. Just swipe it up there and go there, and link bio में भी है, तो आप जाके वहाँ से भी देख सकते हो. And एक like दे दो वहाँ पे. 1000 like आएगा तो I'll make a part 2 on that. अगर नहीं आया तो फिर भी करूँगा मैं part 2. फिर भी करूँगा मैं. So just have go and comment there. Drop a comment. Your comment means a lot for me yaar. You guys are really special for me. I keep on saying that from a long time. ವಾವ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪತಿಲ್ವ ನಿಶ್ರೀ ಅವರೇ. ಹಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಐ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೇರಳ. ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಂಪ್ಸ್? Sugumanam Harshima. How to get rid of period cramps? Yeah, you can do hot water massage to your abdomen. You can also massage your abdomen through essential oils. That will also get rid of your cramps for some time. Your sleeping position should be in how do I say, your legs should be flexed. Flexed matlab kya karo, like that flex position, you should sleep that way towards your left side. So these are all the small tips which can reduce the cramps. And try avoid junk foods. कुछ अच्छे से सूप वूप खा लो यार. Sorry guys, some network problem. ಊಟ ಆಯಿತು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇ. Do you know Tamil? I'm a big fan of yours. Tamil? No, yaar. I understand Tamil a bit, but I don't know Tamil. Migraine headache solution. Okay, migraine happens because of a lot of trigger points. Trigger points like dust allergy, pollens, red wine. Red wine also causes migraine. तो जो भी आपका trigger points है उससे दूर रहो. And वैसे भी you can only take Dolo for that, which I don't recommend much. There is another tablet which I can't tell it here because teleconsultation is not legal, so I can't suggest you any medicines here. Pardon me on that part. आपका nearby any physicians are there, you can go and consult them. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದವಳೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ, that's so sweet of you yaar. Hey, yours management seat or government? Mine is government seat. Luckily, God's grace. Sir, how to reduce hair fall? How to reduce hair fall is like stress less, sleep properly, eat healthy, leafy vegetables. See, I always say face pimples, hair loss or fat and everything, it's all what you take in, guys. So whatever you take in is displayed on your face and your hair. You eat healthy, your face is healthy. You eat unhealthy, your face is unhealthy with all the acne and everything. So no, just make your diet proper, eat. अरे यार ये डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है यार इन लोगों का. इस ओके यार, वेडिंग चल रहा है ना, एक ही दिन का वेडिंग होता है, चले तो. हाउ टू रिड्यूस पिंपल्स ऑन फेस? वही तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं. ईट हेल्दी यार, लाइक ड्रिंक वाटर, ड्रिंक इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, फेस वॉश ट्वाइस अ डे, एंड व्हेन यू गो आउटसाइड अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन, एंड some simple tips, that's all. I think you guys are very genius, man. Girls will be definitely knowing how to get rid of acne. My sister, if I find any, as in if I get any acne, my sister just comes and applies something on my face and it goes there. I don't know what she applies, but it goes up. Do you have a girlfriend? Ooh, I don't have a girlfriend. कोई मिला नहीं यार, है ही नहीं कोई. मतलब क्या हो रहा है देश का, मैंने क्या हो रहा है, मेरा क्या हो रहा है यार, कोई मिल ही नहीं रहा. How to fall asleep quickly? वेरी इजी ट्रिक. ओके, पहले एक बेड चाहिए, फिर उसके ऊपर एक पिल्लो चाहिए और एक ब्लैंकेट चाहिए और एक फैन भी चाहिए. ऑन करके सो जाओ यार, हो जाएगा नींद. हाउ टू स्लीप वाली मतलब क्या बोलूं मैं यार. आर यू मैरिड? नो नो, आई एम नॉट मैरिड, आई एम जस्ट 25 years old यार. मतलब दाढ़ी वाड़ी रख के ऐसा लगता है कि कोई बुड्ढा जैसा दिखता हूँ, बट नहीं, बुड्ढा नहीं हूँ मैं. आई एम एक्चुअली प्लानिंग फॉर अ न्यू शॉर्ट मूवी, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव लेफ्ट सम बियर्ड. थोड़ा इंटेंस लगने के लिए, डरावना लगने के लिए. आई एम डूइंग अ नेगेटिव रोल, दैट्स व्हाई. Can you suggest which medical field I should do career in? Like which one should I choose? I want to become a psychiatrist. Is there any scope in that field? Yeah, psychiatrist is one of the leading field right now. As in, if you want to make really good money, you can just go for psychiatrist. The psychiatry, that is a really good field. ओडिशा का भी आओ सर, आप जब बुलाओगे तो हम जरूर आएंगे यार. रिलेशनशिप क्यों हाइड करते हैं सब लोग? मेरे को बता नहीं दिया भारतवाजी, कौन हाइड कर रहा है? मैं तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं हूँ नहीं, मतलब आई एम नॉट इन अ रिलेशनशिप. माई बैक इज हर्टिंग अ लॉट, व्हाट टू डू? योर बैक इज हर्टिंग अ लॉट बिकॉज योर सिटिंग पोजिशन और योर स्लीपिंग पोजिशन इज नॉट राइट. करेक्ट दैट फर्स्ट एंड योर बैक पेन विल बी फाइन ऑन इट्स ओन. वेयर यू आर स्टडीइंग इन मैंगलोर? दैट आई कांट से यार, दैट आई कांट से. हिमाचल आओ कभी. है यार, सही यार. हिमाचल इज वन ऑफ द ड्रीम प्लेस वेयर आई डेफिनेटली वुड लव टू गो, so I'll definitely go there. How to overcome short-sightedness? Get glasses, my dear. You'll get short-sightedness glasses. Just get that. Okay. Are you a topper? No, I'm not a topper. I'm not a topper. ಲೋ ಬಿ ಪಿ ಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಲೋ ಬಿ ಪಿ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ರೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. पुणे आना पसंद करोगे? जरूर आएंगे यार. पुणे क्यों नहीं आएंगे? आई जस्ट वांट टू ट्राई ऑल दिस. माय वन ऑफ माय ड्रीम is to go travel the entire India, maybe entire India, the whole India in 1 year or 1.5 years, less than that, and try all the street food. That's my dream. And then roam the globe. मजा आ जाएगा यार. टिप फॉर वेट लॉस. अरे यार, वेट लॉस का टिप दे के मैं थक चुका हूँ यार. मेरा रील्स देखो, हो जाएगा वहाँ पे. What are the exact reasons for ovarian cyst? Wow. There are so many reasons for why sister Ramya, but if I tell you now, इन लोगों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा यार. What's your date of birth? My date of birth is 13th November 1995. You're seriously doing a good job and you're giving respect to your profession. You're helping people to overcome their problems. I personally think it's a really fantastic job. All the best for your future. Thank you so much, Snowy Secret. Okay, thank you so much. Sir, how to detect breast cancer? Sir, please tell me now. Yeah, breast cancer, that is a very common topic. I was supposed to do a reel on that soon. I think maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will be making a reel on that. First of all, you need to know to examine your breast. Okay, presence of any lump. Lump is like a swelling. So, presence of any lump or swelling, kindly go to your surgeon, MS surgery department, and just get yourself checked, because that is a sign of cancer. So nothing to worry. You don't have to worry and all that. There's always treatment. So don't panic or something like that. There's always chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and all that. So we can do something about it. So nothing to worry. Okay. Tip for weight gain. Then I have lanky personality. Oh shit. अरे मैं क्या करूँ यार, मैं पहले ही फैल चुका हूँ, मतलब कोरोना से ज़्यादा मैं फैल रहा हूँ. हाई शुगर सोल्यूशन. व्हाट इज हाई शुगर सोल्यूशन? ओके सर, डिप्रेशन के ट्रीटमेंट का इफेक्ट वेट पर क्यों पड़ता है? डिप्रेशन पीपल टेंड टू डू कंडीशन कॉल्ड बुलिमिया नर्वोसा, तो बिंज ईटिंग, दे डू दैट. हार्मोन्स गेट मिसप्लेस्ड. हार्मोन्स का तो बहुत मेजर रोल होता है वेट गेन में. थायराइड का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है एंड ऑल दैट. सो देयर आर मेनी रीजंस दैट हैपेंस. सर, फेशियल ಹೇರ್ ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಹೇರ್ ಗೆ ಲೇಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಲೇಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಐ ಗೆಸ್. Who's that behind you? Who's that behind me? There's no one behind me. Navya, don't scare me, man. कोई भूत है क्या behind? I have COVID, please suggest diet. कुछ नहीं यार, सब कुछ खा लो. Just don't have some oily junk food, that's all. ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि if you have COVID you need to have only some rice and all that. You can have anything. Period day pain relief tip. I've done a reel on that. You can go and check it, guys. Your hair are messy. I know, right? All messy here. I love staying messy. Some reason. Is it native Mangalore? Yes, my native is Mangalore. Thanks for your tips. I'm a big fan of you. Thank you, Nani. That's so sweet of you. Snehal Manka, why so handsome? I need to ask my mom for that. How to prepare chemistry structures? अरे यार, मेरा हो गया केमिस्ट्री का. केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स बायोलॉजी ना मैं सेकेंड पीयूसी में छोड़ के आया हूँ, तो मेरे को अभी मत पूछो यार केमिस्ट्री के बारे में. पसंद भी नहीं था मेरे को. बीपी इज देयर, बाय डॉक्टर विल डू इमीडिएट डिलीवरी. Of course, you need to do a immediate delivery. मतलब नॉर्मल नहीं हो सकता, सीजरियन you have to do. सी सेक्शन करते हैं वो लोग. Hi Madhu, give reel about endometriotic cyst. Oh, nice Vaishdeep. I'll definitely make a reel on that. So I think if I can make reels on such medical terms, I think they have a lot of topics here. I do on very simple and very basic things so that people around me know what exactly to do. So if I make a reel on endometriotic cyst, I don't think many people will be understanding that. Churu tulu patirlege chauta ji chultale tulu patran dullette. Tulu is my mother tongue, by the way. Hi bro, my mom has applied VK shampoo to her hair to get instant color. Okay, can I get it for my mom? Extend life. What is this? I didn't statement of. Say my name please. I am Sachu. Okay. Hi Divya. Hi Dr. Abhay. Pre-planned or Marrow? I'm Marrow yaar. Abhay ji, Dabhay Sharma, I'm Marrow user. Plan C. I opted for Plan C, but I don't watch the videos, dude. I don't know if you watch, but I don't watch the videos. I think I just solve the modules and question bank. That's more than enough. Pre-planner is also good, dude. I think you need to go for that. Dams, Bhatyas, there are so many other good things. What made you to choose Dr. Profession? Okay. What made me to do? See, बचपन का सपना नहीं था. As in, वो होते हैं ना छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो स्कूल में बोलते हैं, टीचर बोलते हैं कि आपको क्या बनना है. तो सब लोग बोलते रहते हैं इंजीनियर डॉक्टर. तो डॉक्टर सुनने में अच्छा लगाया, तो मैंने बोला डॉक्टर. तो प्राइमरी से हाई स्कूल आ गया, तब फिर से सर ने पूछा कि क्या बनना है, तो मैंने बोला फिर से डॉक्टर बनना है. फिर मैं आ गया +2 में, +1 11th एंड 12th में साइंस लिया था. मैंने सोचा कि अभी तो पक्का मैं डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर ही बनूंगा. तो इतने साल से डॉक्टर बोलता रहा हूँ, तो मैं सोचा कि डॉक्टर ही बन जाऊँ, तो हो गया यार, डॉक्टर बन गया. हाउ टू गेट रिड ऑफ हेलो एंड थैंक यू डॉक्टर मनीषा, दैट्स सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. एज क्या है आपकी? ओ गॉड, डू आई लुक दैट ओल्ड? 25 years old. 25 का हूँ मैं, 25 years old. Few words in Telugu. Yeah. Hi Butta Bomalus. What is in your cup? Tea or coffee? It's milk. I have given disadvantages on tea. अरे trust me, I am a chai lover. चाय लवर हूँ मैं, नुस्ता चाय. आई एम चाय लवर. बट मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिया यार इसका डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होता है, तो पीपल गॉट सो मच ऑफेंडेड एंड स्टार्टेड येलिंग एट मी. ओके, आई एम अ डाई हार्ड चाय फैन यार. English please, so we all can understand. I am speaking English, right? So what do you think I speak? What's your dream now? What's your dream now? That's a good question. To be very honest, अभी है नहीं यार कुछ. Only thing is whatever my eyes falls at, I just want to do that. मतलब अच्छी तरीके से बोल रहा हूँ, गंदी तरीके से नहीं, अच्छी तरीके से. Say if someone is playing cricket, I would just want to go and play cricket. If someone is doing some research, I would just want to go and do that research. If someone is doing something creative, I want to do something that creative. So it's just like that. ऐसा कोई dream ऐसा कुछ है नहीं मेरा. There are multiple artists which I like the most, which made me follow you and moreover to become a big fan. And I'm also from a medical profession. Hats off to your talent. Thank you so much यार, that's so sweet of you. Oh my God, आपको कितने दिन के बाद देख रही हूँ. Okay. कौन है यार ये? Malayali fan, Sukumanam दिया. To Malayali fans, Sukumanam. This is Vanakkam, sorry, Sukumanam. I'm from Kolhapur. I'm a big fan. You're amazing, sir. Thank you, Darshan. That's so sweet of you. Hope your eyes fall for a girl then. Hope my eyes fall for a girl then. Yeah, I hope so, yeah. Varicose vein remedies, please. Okay, there is simple things. There's something called as varicose stockings. It's like a varicose socks you get. Apply that on your legs, and while you sleep, just keep your leg elevated like this. Keep some 3-4 pillows so that there is circulation of the blood in your legs. So that's pretty much for varicose veins. And if at all it's too much, and then you need to get stenting done. So that's pretty much. You are looking like a very innocent बच्चा. अरे यार हूँ यार innocent. लगता क्या हो यार, innocent ही हूँ यार. What is your mother tongue? My mother tongue is Tulu. Hey, NEET preparation tips. क्या दूँ मैं आपको tips? ऐसे टिप्स होता नहीं है यार. जस्ट स्टडी 4 to 5 hours a day, हो गया. बाकी का दिन मजे करो. बट जो 4 to 5 hours you're studying, just concentrate and study. The other days, whatever time is remaining, just have fun. How to get rid of kidney stones and diet to be followed? Oh, that's a good question. I think I'll make a reel on that. मैं उसके ऊपर रील बनाऊंगा definitely. So, sir, can you please help me with any NEET tips? Being a student of Corona batch, feeling very stressed. आयो यार, मैं क्या देख सकता हूँ यार आपको tips? I've been like, I just study randomly, so I don't know my tips will be useful for you or not. I'm also a child lover, but I cannot left till. Okay, I tried, but not. You have any idea how I left? Okay, I didn't understand that question though. How you drink lots of water? ऐसे कप लेना है, उसमें पानी डालना है, ऐसे पीना है. How you drink lots of water मतलब क्या क्वेश्चन है यार ये? I really, okay, that's so sweet of you, so sweet of you. So that's it guys. My new video is out on my YouTube channel, guessing the actor and actress name through the songs. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it now. It's in my, the link is given in my status. Just swipe it up there. I'll again give the link again, and the link is also given in my bio. जाके एक लाइक दे दो, कमेंट कर दो, एंड शो सम लव देयर. यहाँ पर 100K हो गया, वहाँ पर भी 100K हो जाएगा तो सही है यार. I'll get that silver button. That's one of my dream in 2021. That is to get the silver play button in YouTube. हाँ यार, बस वो जब आएगा ना तो ऐसा लगेगा कि कुछ अचीवमेंट हो गया मेरा. How to take care of oral health? You just need to what if there are people who are having good cars and all that, you need to stop that immediately. And betadine gargle, there's a solution called as betadine gargle, so you need to do betadine gargle. Drink enough amount of water, brush your teeth twice, that's pretty much. And if you're diabetic and all that, you need to work on your sugars and all that. Please tell me, will you marry with me? Oh shit, that's a good offer, yeah, but I don't think you can marry now. बहुत जल्दी मिलेगा सिल्वर बटन यार, आपका सपोर्ट, आप लोगों का सपोर्ट हो तो डेफिनेटली मिलेगा, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है मेरा. सो जाके वहाँ पर भी सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड हिट द बेल बटन. तो अभी 12,000 आई थिंक 13,000 के आसपास आ गया मेरा वहाँ पे. तो वी हैव अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो. लेट्स सी व्हेन आई रीच, मे बी 2021 के एंड तक हो जाएगा शायद. Yes sir, you ignore many people. I didn't reply. Hey, Pranali Kapadne. I didn't ignore anyone else. Okay. How they cure sunburn? Apply sunscreen. That's very. Yeah, doctor, reply de do please. Hi, Syed. Doctor, hi. You're not giving suggestions to quit smoke. Oh, Nagraj Abhi, you're not giving suggestions to quit smoking. That's a good topic exactly. I think I need to make a reel on that. But again यार, अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगा ना, लाइक ये जो स्मोकर लोग होते हैं ना, आके मेरे को पीट डालेंगे, बोलेंगे ये तो कौन होता है भाई मेरे को बोलने वाला. But I'll make one. I'll definitely make one. You deserve silver button. Thank you so much, Dr. Rutuja. That's so sweet of you. Sir, साइड पे मैरिज चल रहा है क्या? हाँ यार, साइड पे नहीं, इधर ही चल रहा है. देख इसको अगर करूँगा ना, you can see this light, इधर ही चल रहा है वो. मेरा नेबर है तो उसका बेटी का अभी चल रहा है, अभी मैरिज चल रहा है. He had called me यार, तो after this live I'm going there to have food. I am like this party crasher यार, पार्टी क्रैश करके सब कुछ खत्म कर सकते. क्रिश्चियंस लोग हैं तो इसीलिए वो बैंड बजा चल रहा है उनका. यार नॉर्थ साइड वालों के रिप्लाई है नहीं कर सकते. हाय दीप्ति ठाकुर, नॉर्थ वालों, आई लव यू ऑल यार. Hey Nirijan, you can give your clinic address to all. अरे नहीं यार, I don't want to give my clinic address to anyone. सो जो डॉक्टर, बाकी ये लोग तो सुबह तक ऑनलाइन रहेंगे. आपका क्रश क्या है डॉक्टर? My crush, I have told many times, my crush is Prachi Desai. Prachi Desai is my crush. I did for reducing headache in winter, so I'll make reels on every one of that guys. मुझे बन गया क्या? मुझे बन गया. Okay. Hi Imani Singh. Are you married sir? No, I'm not married. Luckily, I'm not married. Hi Manisha. Hi Bargwa. Hi guys. So, hi Amu Bandaru. I hate you sir. मैंने से क्या कर दिया यार? Sir, please tell about irregular periods. I think I made enough amount of reels on periods and irregularities, PCODs, PCOS. There are so many reels here. I think you can go and check it out there. सब रेमेडीज है वहाँ पे, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. ओके यार, मुझे पहले से ही है. क्या आप मेरी प्रॉब्लम पर्सनल में डिस्कस कर सकते हो? डेफिनेटली राउट बर्थ. आई डेफिनेटली मेक श्योर आई इफ आई सी योर मैसेज आई डू इट. Is drinking a lot of tea harmful? Yeah, definitely it is. Tea contains caffeine and large amount of caffeine is not good for the body. तो उसी के बारे में मैंने एक रील किया था, disadvantages of tea. लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया यार, but as in I am also tea lover, but you know it was my duty to tell you guys like what are the side effects. So ऐसा नहीं कि रोज पी लो, like alternate days you can have tea or coffee, it's fine, not a problem at all. And it's not like everyone will get affected. Majority are fine. Excuse me, majority are fine even with the consumption of caffeine, coffee, milk and coffee and tea. There's only few people. इनका क्या है यार, इनका गाना चल रहा है इधर. Hey, which novel is your favorite? 13 Reasons Why is my favorite. Harry Potter is my favorite. Chronicles of Narnia is my favorite. I think I need to go there and have dinner now. Okay. They're having that uncle is really sweet. Okay, he asked me to come and have dinner. I think the time I go there, I think there won't be any food left. Hi Shivani, what's up? Nice background song. है ना? Background song सही है यार. सब ढोल बज चल रहा है मेरे को. You have got a beautiful voice. Loved it. And being a doctor, you're doing a great job by sharing the tips. Appreciate your thoughts. Thank you so much, Suhani, Swami. That's so sweet of you. I hate tea and coffee. Only milk. Milk पी रहा हूँ अभी मैं भी. दोस्त लोगों का बहुत कुछ और I'll be coming live again on next Saturday. So तो अच्छा है यार. Like as in अभी मैच कर रहा है ये song. हाय हाय सही है. Hey, that चुम्मे के रात ये song है. Song is going on. Do you watch Shin-chan? Hey, it's my favorite यार. I watch Shin-chan every day. Every day. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I love you all. Congratulations again to all of us for 100k followers on Instagram. So may we reach 100k on YouTube as well. So my new video is out on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and swipe it up and subscribe and do drop a like and comment there. So I'll try entertaining you guys again in the future so much. So keep showing your love. I love you all, and at the end I just want to tell you one thing: spread love, eat healthy, and just forget every negativity and just move on in life, and just stay happy every single day, and just keep loving everyone. So that's it, guys. I love you all. Until the next live on Saturday, peace out.